On page number 58 of maths textbook of 5th class, there is question given: Ramu's vegetable field. First question is that Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he ग्रो? कौन से वेजिटेबल जो है वो ग्रो करता है? अभी इसका आंसर कैसे आएगा? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? आंसर, फर्स्ट वेजिटेबल इज चिलीज. चिलीज he grows. Okay, we start with he grows. You have to do this activity in your textbook only. Okay, he grows potatoes. Potatoes. He grows potatoes. He grows potatoes. Chilies. Brinjals, spinach, tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes and spinach. Okay, spinach. Then next question is that first, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? Okay, you can see that there is one vegetable is grown most of the time. See here, chili is grown for only one time, potato for 2 times, okay, brinjal for 2 times, but tomato is grown for how many times? 3 times. Okay, then our answer will be tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes. And how many part it is? It is 9 out of 3 parts. No, 3 out of 9 parts. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That is 1/3 part. Okay, 1/3 part. Okay, I am not writing in full sentence because I have less time to write here. Okay, then next question is, what part of the field does he grow potato? What part of field? So you can count 1 2 part out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, out of 9 part of the field. Okay, then answer will be he grows potatoes on 2/9 part of the field. Okay, then third question is that what part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjal? Okay, then see, spinach. Here is spinach. Spinach is grown for only one time, and then brinjal is grown for 2 times. Okay, then our answer will be 1/9 part. Okay, 1/9 part क्या ग्रो किया? is used for growing spinach. Okay, and how much part is used to grown for 2 out of 9 part. 2 out of 9 part is used for is used for brinjal, brinjals. Okay, brinjals. Then next, 4. Question number 4. Now you write some question by looking at this picture. Okay. Okay. We will write 2 question. Okay. First question is that, is there any question on chilies? No, na? Then we can frame one question on chilies. That is what? We will give it. Okay. What part of the field is used for growing chilies? Question first, and then question B. Is there any question on two vegetable? You can see there are two vegetables is grown for equal times. Okay, it is brinjal and potatoes. Okay, brinjal and potatoes are brinjals and potatoes. Then question will be, which two vegetables? Which two vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? Okay, we have done all the questions.